Hi everyone, we are Sabrina Hoyos, Anumanes, and Ana Guerra, and today we are going to talk about Classpoint apps. Classpoint is an online learning application that aims to facilitate teaching and student participation. This is the purpose. The purpose of Classpoint is to improve communication between teachers and students during online classes. It provides a more interactive and dynamic learning platform, allowing teachers to share content, make presentations, and ask questions and receive answers in real time. In addition, students can actively participate in the class through their mobile device, answering questions, sharing opinions, and engaging in collaborative activities. In short, ClassPoint aims to teaching and learning experience in virtual environments. Okay, and some benefits are real-time interaction. It allows teacher and student to interact simultaneously during online classes. Teacher can ask questions, conduct surveys, and receive responses from students in real time. Instant feedback provides students with immediately feedback on their performance as they can see their correct and incorrect answer in real time. This allows them to correct mistakes and improve their learning more effectively. Personalization of learning. Teachers can tailor learning content and resources according to the individual needs of students. This helps create a personalized student-centered learning environment. Progress tracking. The application records and saves student progress, allowing teachers to evaluate individual and group performance. This helps them identify areas for improvement and provide additional support when needed. Facilitates participation. The app encourages activity student participation through interactive features such as questions, challenges, and games. This helps maintain student interest and motivation during online classes.
The fundamental concepts of Classpoint are presentation, interactive activities, and collaboration. Classpoint presentations are created using an intuitive user interface that allows teachers to add text to provide information, explanations, or instructions, add images to illustrate concepts or to make presentations more attractive, add videos to show students how to do something or to provide them with a visual experience of a concept, add audio to provide students with additional information or instructions, and add animations to make presentations more interesting. Presentations can be saved to the cloud for access from any device. Classpoint offers a variety of interactive activities that can be used to engage students in learning. These activities include multiple choice questions that are a simple way to test students' knowledge, quizzes that are a more complete way to evaluate students' knowledge, surveys to collect information from a student about their interests, opinions, or understanding of a topic, and games to make learning more fun and engaging. Classpoint allows teachers to collaborate with other teachers and students to create presentations and activities. This can be useful for sharing resources, creating more complete presentations, or engaging students in collaborative projects. Critical thinking by using all the tools that this AI gives us. Students are promoting their critical thinking, and I will explain it as examples. First, a teacher can create an interactive presentation that presents a complex problem. Then, students can work in groups to analyze the problem and develop solutions. Second, a teacher can create a quiz that requires students to think critically about course material. For example, the quiz might ask students to compare and contrast different theories or to identify the assumptions underlying an argument. The last one, a teacher can use Classpoint to organize a class discussion. Students can use the tool to share their ideas and perspectives, which can help foster critical thinking.
So I'm gonna explain to you the responsible use that teachers and students can do of Classpoint. So there are some things or steps that they need to follow or do to do responsible use of Classpoint. So first of all, Classpoint needs to be used only for educational purposes because a Classpoint is a teaching and learning tool, so it should be not used to play games or watch videos, so just educational purposes. And also teachers need to be mindful of the amount of time that they spend using Classpoint, because it is important also that the students interact each other, not just watching a screen all the time. So you need to be aware of the use that you are giving to this tool. The teacher also have to monitor student participation, because this allows to see how the students are participating, who is participating and who is not. So it is important to monitor students and to provide a support to the students. So it's important to see the behavior of the students during the class, how they react of the use of Classpoint, and then also the teacher can help the students that are struggling maybe with this type of learning. So also students must be respectful of their teachers' effort and time, because they have to remember that their teacher has put a lot of effort into creating their Classpoint presentations. So it is important to be respectful of their hard work by participating actively in the class. So by following these steps, teachers and students can use Classpoint responsibly and in a way that benefits everyone. Now I'm gonna talk about the application of Classpoint in real world. So Classpoint can be used in a variety of real world applications in education. It can be used in different areas such as science, history, math, foreign languages also. A foreign language teacher could use Classpoint to create a game where students can test their knowledge, learn vocabulary, also learn grammar, to do activities, even role plays activities. So this will help the students to learn the language in a more fun way and engaging. So there are a variety of different activities that teachers can choose from this application to do to their students, including introducing concepts. Classpoint can be used to introduce new concepts in a visually appealing way and engaging way. Teachers also can use Classpoint to create interactive diagrams, animations, and videos. This all to make students more engaging, that they maybe pay more attention. So also Classpoint could be inclusive, because there are different activities that you can make in this application, and it can help students that have different type of learning. Well, also there are activities of assessed student learning. Classpoint can be used to assess student learning in a variety of ways, because teachers can use Classpoint to create formal quizzes and exams, and also they can use Classpoint to create informal activity that allows them to participate and to create their understanding. And well, also teachers can create surveys, polls, and many activities in these presentations. They can use polls to ask students questions and receive their responses, and quizzes that can be due in real time and receive also feedback at the same time in interactive ways. And also the teachers can create surveys that allow them to collect feedback from the students on a variety of topics. And finally, also they can use whiteboards that are important because they promote group work activities, allow teachers to create interactive whiteboards that a student can collaborate on. And you know that whiteboards could be helpful because students can do what they want on the screen, or maybe the teacher in their screen when they are presenting something to their students on the screen or something like that. So that's all. Thank you so much.